Hello, today we're gonna take a quick overview of vCloud Directory site. VMware vCloud Directory is an ultimate cloud management platform that provides the ability to build secure multi-tenant clouds by pooling virtual infrastructure resources into virtual data centers and exposing them to users through web-based portals and programmatic interfaces as a full automated catalog-based service. Our VMware vCloud portal uses the HTML5 user interface for controlling vApps, virtual machines, powerful NSX network services, content libraries, and vCloud availability. So let's get going and look at those features and terms. First of all, you will need to log into vCloud Directory site. Now that we have logged in, we'll pop down the roll-down menu and start with administration. Now here on the left, we will start going through all the possibilities. First of all, users and groups. Basically, an organization can contain an arbitrary number of users and groups, so permissions within an organization are controlled through the assignment of rights and roles. A right is the fundamental unit of access control in vCloud Directory. Each right provides a view or manages access to a particular object type in vCloud Directory. Each organization can have different rights and roles and assign them to users and groups. Identify providers SAML. You can control users and groups from SAML identity provider and connect VCD to organization AD. Under the settings multi-site, you can connect your VCD in our vCloud data center to manage all resources from one place. Also required if you cross VCD networks are needed. There are also several other options for policies and settings that you can customize. Under general, email, guest personalization, metadata, and policies. Next, we will look at the data centers. Click on the data center of your choosing. And here on the left, we can see vApps. vApps may have multiple virtual servers that form a multi-level application, such as separate web server, database, and security server. So basically, it enables you to manage multiple virtual machines as one app and configure different rules and options. Under a virtual machine, you can create a single virtual machines without belonging to vApp. It is also possible to move it later to vApp. Under Affinity Rules, we can see Affinity Rules and Anti-Affinity Rules. They provide vCloud Directory users with a way of specifying how vSphere distributed resources schedule should place virtual machines on hosts in a resource pool. Virtual machine host affinity rules can be useful when host-based licensing requires virtual machines that are running certain applications to be placed on hosts that are licensed to run those applications. They can also be useful if higher redundancy is needed, so you can force to place vApps and virtual machines in different hardware hosts. So networking, and under networks here, VCD user can manage external networks, organization, VDC networks, and vApp networks. An edge gateway provides a rooted organization virtual data center network with connectivity to external networks and can provide services such as load balancing, routings, NNT, firewall, and layer 2, IPsec, and SSL VPN. vCloud Directory supports IPv4 and IPv6 edge gateways. Under security, you can manage NSX distributed firewall and protect horizontally your organization network resources, and also horizontally and vertically external network. Independent disks are standalone virtual disks that you create in organization VDCs. Organization administrators and users who have the respective rights can create, remove, and update independent disks and connect them to virtual machines. Under storage policies, you can observe assigned storage policies. Next, we'll look at libraries. A vCloud directory libraries is a container of vApp templates and virtual media files, also called as ISOs. Users can access vApp templates and media files that they own or that are shared with them. So under content libraries, we have vApp templates, and vApp templates are pre-configured virtual machine or multiple machines you can deploy to cloud within minutes. Wavecom have pre-built OS templates that you can use for deployment. You can also copy your existing virtual machines and vApps to templates and use them in future, or create a template by uploading OVA or OVF image. From media and other, you can see Wavecom OS ISO images and also upload your own and mount it to a virtual machine. Next, we'll look at tasks. Tasks view is a list of all tasks and shows when tasks are run and whether they were successfully completed. This view is the first step of troubleshooting problems in your environment. The task view contains long-running operations such as virtual machine or vApp creation. Next, we'll look at events. Under events, you can view the system log to monitor system-level events. You can find and troubleshoot failed events and view events by the user. And finally, we have vCloud Availability. vCloud Availability in vCloud Directory is a disaster recovery as a service solution that provides simple and secure asynchronous replication and failover for vSphere managed workloads. For all covered topics, you can find more tutorials from our website help section and YouTube channel. So this is it for this VMware vCloud directory site overview. If you liked the video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell for upcoming content, and see you in the next one.